Okay, happy to see you here and welcome back to my channel Brain Logic. Really interesting challenge today. We have 10 plus 10 divided by 2. So let's go and figure out this super simple math problem. We have 10 plus 10 divided by 2. Seems pretty basic, seems pretty easy. However, many people are going to get this problem incorrect. So if you could do this without a calculator, put your answer into the comment section. I'll show you the correct answer here in just 1 minute. And then I'm going to kind of really emphasize an extremely important basic math concept that is going to be the reason why a lot of you are going to do this incorrectly. So very simple question on the first side. We have addition, we have division, so everyone learns this stuff in the third grade, so that's fantastic. So choose an option what do you think is correct and write your option down into the comment section. Now, what makes all the difference in the world is the order we do this problem, right? Do we do addition first, then division, or division first, then addition? And right here, there are two types of people. One type of people, so first type of people solve this question like that. They say, okay, we have our challenge, we have our 10 plus 10 divided by 2, and of course let's start from this addition at first, from left hand side to right hand side. We have 10 plus 10 equal to 20 divided by 2, so we still have this division which is equal to 10. So one part of students solve this question like that. They say that the correct answer is 10. But in math we should understand what is the correct property, correct rule, correct law. This is a very important thing in terms of math because we can't solve question randomly. This is very important step. Right here we just do whatever we want. We want to add at first, we do this, and this is really weird solution in terms of math because we should know what is the correct order, correct property, correct rule. And let's look at this, for example, PEMDAS order of operation. This is the most popular order of operation in the world. All internet libraries, scientific graphing calculator works according to PEMDAS, and let's solve this question according to PEMDAS. This is the correct order of operation in terms of math, and then we will check with this 10. Maybe 10 is a correct answer, I don't know exactly, but let's do this. So we have 10, we have our challenge, we have 10 plus 10 divided by 2. Right now we should scan what elements do we have right here. Okay, let's look at it. So we don't have parentheses. Okay, we don't have it. Yeah, we have parentheses our first step. We don't have right here in our case, so we just skip this part. We don't have parentheses. Parentheses have the highest priority right here. As you can see right here, this line, parentheses have the highest priority and addition and subtraction the lowest priority. So we should go from the top to the bottom and we should go through the steps. Okay, what is the previous step? It have like this higher priority than the previous one. Okay, so the next step, exponents. Okay, parentheses have the higher priority than exponent, but we don't have parentheses, so we just go to the next step. The next step is exponents. What about maybe squares, cubes right here? Let's look at it. I don't see any of those. We don't have any powers, so we just skip this part. I don't have any powers, so we just skip this part. Multiplication and division group. Let's look at it. Where do we have maybe multiplication and division sign? Okay, let's look at it. Yeah, right here we have division, which is really great. So we don't have multiplication sign, which is really good. And then we have division part. Okay, we have this division sign right here, but here we apply this division sign only to this 10, not to this like 10 plus 10, 20, not like that. Okay, so right here we have this division part. Yeah, we have it. Okay, this is our division part right here. And if you look closely, if we go a little bit further, so as you can see, we divide right here. So we have 10 plus 10 divided by 2 equal to 5. Yeah, and if you look a little bit closer, so we complete this division step, and the next step after division is this addition. Okay, so after division we should add this expression, and it's not that hard. We have 10 plus 5 equal to 15. But I want you to understand, okay, we don't have subtraction, but I want you to understand that all the time division is before addition, as you can see right here. So the higher priority than addition has, of course, this division. So division and multiplication group or exponent or parentheses is all the time before addition and subtraction. So you should understand this, you should learn. This is very important rule in terms of math, because division and multiplication is before addition and subtraction. So every time you should divide at first and then add. And if you look closely, right here we do completely randomly think. Right here we add it first, then divide, which is absolutely wrong. With parentheses, this question will be okay, because then we should start from these parentheses, and parentheses have the higher priority than any of these steps. So the highest priority in this case, yeah. So we should start from these parentheses, and then addition will be before division, because addition is inside parentheses, which is really important step. So then this question will be okay with parentheses, but in our case we don't have any parentheses, we don't have any like these brackets, so we just skip this, we just reject this step. Yeah, A is absolutely wrong solution. 10 is a correct answer with parentheses. In our case we don't have any parentheses, so we just reject this 10. Okay, let's go to our question right here. So 10 plus 10 divided by 2, first division right here, then addition after division, yeah, then this step, so 15. What is the correct answer? 15. What is the correct option? We have 10, 20, and 30 over 2. This is a very tricky moment because sometimes students goes back to this answer 10 because they don't see this 15 and they say, okay, let's go back to this 10 right here. So let's go back right here, we don't have it, and let's solve this question like that. Correct answer is 10, but this is very wrong approach, because if you look closely to this option C, this option C gives us 15, this is 30 over 2, this is like a fraction, so we can easily divide both numerator and denominator by 2, so we have like 15, and our answer is 15. Option C is a correct answer. This is a very tricky question, so I hope you understand it. I hope you learn something new, and you can plug into scientific or graphing calculator this question, but don't use your regular calculator. Regular calculator works this problem as you type it in. So for example, you have this question, you type 10 plus 10, calculators gives you 20, which is really bad, because then you have like 20 divided by 2, it gives you 10, which is really bad solution. Sometimes maybe you sit on an exam and you worry it a little bit, you want to check this expression, and then you use your regular calculator, and it is very bad in this case, because you should use something like more sophisticated, like scientific or graphing calculator, where you can plug in the whole problem. This is a very important step, and then these calculators know about the order of operation, and then your calculator is smart enough to know the order of operation. They know that division is all the time before addition, and this is a very important moment in terms of math. I hope you understand my thought about it, that you should know about scientific or graphing calculator to check this problem. Of course, maybe you can easily check this problem right now with me. You can take your telephone and you can easily plug into your calculator. If your calculator gives you 10, then this is really bad. If it gives you 15, which is really brilliant, you can easily check it. You can easily do this trick right here. You can easily check it. This is really interesting. And of course, write your suggestion into the comment section. How can you solve this question? How your calculator solve this question? Which is really important. Which is really important in terms of math. So I hope you understand this. My notes from here: division is before addition all the time. Parentheses have the highest priority, then exponent, then we evaluate multiplication and division group, and then addition and subtraction group. This is maybe the main thing right here. And I want to say that there are a lot of order of operation, maybe about BODMAS. Some countries work with BODMAS, and in this case, doesn't matter what order of operation you select, doesn't matter. Every order of operation, add, after, divide. A division is before addition all the time. All the thing with division and then addition. But it works only in the case when you have only division and only addition. It works only in this case. If you have maybe parentheses, exponent, multiplication, all like combination of these signs, it not works like that. You should know what is the correct order: parentheses, then exponent, then evaluate like step by step. It's not works like that. When you have like addition and division, you divide it first, wherever you want, wherever you have, and then you go to the next step. So in this case, exactly in this case, addition is after division. Okay, I hope you understand my thoughts about it. And check this question with your regular calculator, which will be really great for you, because you can easily see that your calculator is great for solving this question, because for example, you can easily plug in, you have like 10 plus 10, it gives you 20, then divided by 2, it gives you 10, and then you see that the correct answer is 10. Maybe on your exam you can easily write this answer 10, which is absolutely incorrect, and the correct answer in our case, this is 15 is a correct answer. So if you need help with any of these classes, you can just go through my YouTube channel. I have a ton of videos. So with that being said, I definitely wish you all the best in your mathematical adventure, and definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong, okay? Now if you need to learn basic maths, interesting brain test, and you can easily subscribe to my channel, I really appreciate it. And if this video is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as that really helps to improve my videos, to make new videos every day, and it's really great. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you you learn something new. This is my main goal. This is my main goal, to learn you something new, to learn some new information, some new maybe order of operation, PMDMC, BODMAS. This question is really good when you understand, and of course I hope you understand this. So thank you for your time and have a great day. I wish you all the best in your mathematical adventures. See you in the next videos.